So Pentaho, what is actually Pentaho? Pentaho is a business intelligence software. So it is going to help you. Data. A lot of data is there. A lot of data is there. Now you want to analyze data. So what you will want to do is maybe combine, bring data from various sources, है ना? And just do some transformations on that and put all the data into a new database maybe, and then analyze it or so on. So Pentaho is a business intelligence software that provides data integration. So various data is coming from various sources. Excel से आ रहा है, Oracle से आ रहा है, दूसरे किसी databases से आता है, Access से आ रहा है, अलग अलग जगह से डेटा आ रहा है, उसको आपको एक जगह पर रखना है, तो इंटीग्रेट करना डेटा को. और कई बार जैसे डेटा आ रहा है, एम्प्लॉय आईडी है, E001 है एक एक्सेल में, और दूसरे दूसरे एक्सेस में आपका कुछ और नाम है, EMP001 करके इस तरह से नाम दिया हुआ है ना. अब आपको जब आप इंटीग्रेट कर रहे हैं, नाउ यू हैव टू डिसाइड ऑन व्हाट वुड बी द एम्प्लॉय आईडी. तो यू वुड वांट टू ट्रांसफॉर्म दैट एम्प्लॉय आईडी. आप डिसाइड करेंगे EMP001 नहीं रखना है, मुझे E001 ही रखना है. तो आप क्या करेंगे, जब डेटा आ रहा है तो आप एक्सेल से ला रहे हैं, अलग अलग डेटाबेसेस से उसे लेके आ रहे हैं और उसको ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहे हो, चेंज कर रहे हैं उसको, और फिर एक टारगेट डेटाबेस में उसको प्लेस कर रहे हैं क्लीन करके. ठीक है. जैसे डेटा आ रहा है और आपको चाहिए कि भी एज बिलो सर्टन एज और शुड नॉट कम इन दिस नाउ न्यू डेटा ऑफ माइन. तो जहाँ से भी डेटा इनपुट आ रहा है वहाँ से आप एक वैलिडेशन लगा रहे हैं, डेटा वैलिडेशन लगा रहे हैं, और फिर वो आपके डेटाबेस में जा रहा है. सो व्हाट आर यू डूइंग एक्चुअली, यू आर एक्सट्रैक्टिंग डेटा, यू आर ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग द डेटा, and then you are loading it. Okay, now this we are going to see small examples with Excel and Access, but actually databases are having so many records they are having. So it is a lot of time consuming process and a lot of strenuous process in fact. So we are going to look at how to extract data from the input, transform the data, and maybe load the data as an output. Okay, so Pentaho is going to help us do all of that. So it is providing us with data integration facility, OLAP services, reporting services, information dashboards, data mining capabilities it is having. It is a suite or a collection of tools for creating relational and analytical reports. Using Pentaho, we can transform complex data into meaningful reports and raw information out of them. So now the Pentaho supports creating reports in various formats like Excel, HTML, PDF, CSV, XML. So Pentaho can accept data from different sources like SQL database, OLAP data sources, different other analytical tools. Okay. So what you people are supposed to do is you have to just follow the link that has been given here and download it. Download the Pentaho. This is the SourceForge website that will open up. You can just download from here. Okay, Pentaho. Okay, from here you can just download this package. What you would be getting is, just a moment. हाँ, उसमें एक डेटा इंटीग्रेशन का एक फोल्डर आता है. ठीक है, तो अगर आप डाउनलोड करेंगे ना तो किस तरह से दिखेगा आपको. हाँ, जब आप डाउनलोड करेंगे तो एक डेटा इंटीग्रेशन का फोल्डर आएगा इस तरह से आपके पास. उसमें आपको डेटा इंटीग्रेशन का एक फोल्डर मिलता है जब आप डाउनलोड कर लेंगे. तो यू विल हैव दिस फोल्डर. ओके, बिफोर दिस इज द फाइल दैट विल गेट डाउनलोडेड. सो PDIC इस तरह का नाम का एक फोल्डर है. इसमें जब आप जाते हैं अंदर, देन यू कैन सी द डेटा इंटीग्रेशन फोल्डर. ओके, in the data integration folder you have to go and see the spoon batch file. Okay, so where have I gone in this folder, PDIC करके ऐसा एक फोल्डर आएगा, उसमें एक डेटा इंटीग्रेशन फोल्डर है, उसमें आपको एक स्पून फाइल मिलेगी. सो इफ आई जस्ट यस, सो मेनी स्पून फाइल्स आर देयर. आई हैव टू गो एंड सी द Windows batch file. Okay, spoon Windows batch file, and click on it, double click on it. That will run my Pentaho. Okay, so आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं, PDI नाम का जो एक फोल्डर है, then you are going to the data integration folder. In that data integration folder you are having spoon Windows batch file that you are going to double click to run Pentaho. So you have to double click on the Spoon batch file. Spoon Windows batch file, and this is the folder. This is the icon that will show that the Pentaho is running for you. Okay, now this box would come. You can just close it down. Coming, you can just close that down also. So now this is how the uh, this interface looks like. What you do is you go to files, you go to new, and you have to create a new transformation. Okay, so you go to new and go and see transformation. Okay, so in this transformation what is happening here now, before we इसमें ये है कि if you are having a problem running ना, so you'll have to set the environment variables. Okay, the system setting में जाके environment variables को आपको set करना पड़ेगा. दोनों यूज़र वेरिएबल और सिस्टम वेरिएबल दोनों. तो यहाँ ना आपको स्टेप्स दिए हुए हैं. अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम आती है तो यूज़र वेरिएबल और सिस्टम वेरिएबल को आप सेट कर लें. ओके, एंड पाथ जावा का पाथ सेट कर दें. So you can just follow this and change the setting at your system. Okay, create a new system variable, set the variable name as Java home and variable name, okay, up to whatever JDK you are having. So you can just follow this if you are having any problem running the Pentaho. Now at the end, if you are having all of this is set, then that Spoon file will run properly. Okay, Spoon Windows batch file है आपके. Retrieve data from a staff file. The staff file is already there. So staff Excel file is also there given to you. Even Access file is also given to you. तो MS Access अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, है ना. और आप रन कर सकते हैं. नहीं तो आप Excel के साथ भी कर सकते हैं इसको काम. ओके, so we are retrieving data from staff file, concatenate the two columns, first name last name, and put them as full name. Okay, इस तरह का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आप कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, सॉर्ट अ पर्टिकुलर फुल नेम, कुछ सॉर्ट कर रहे हैं, किसी रिकॉर्ड को सॉर्ट कर रहे हैं. वो कैसे करेंगे, एक दो हम लोग एग्जाम्पल्स देख लेते हैं. Okay, discretizing the columns. So a number of things are possible. Splitting the full name column to last name and first name. Retrieving data or setting the value of the zip column. Okay, this is what you have to do as in the practical. Okay, so you can just try it out. Converting a column to uppercase or a lowercase. Okay, doing a left padding. Okay, of a particular character, कोई particular information है तो उसको पैड कैसे करना है. पहले कुछ characters को fix करना है आपको, तो star से fix करना है या हैच से फिक्स करना है इसको. तो ये प्रैक्टिकल्स हैं आपके. कुछ दो कॉलम्स हैं, यू वांट टू जस्ट ऐड अप टू कॉलम्स एंड मेक अ थर्ड कॉलम. ओके, सो हियर यू आर गोइंग टू ऐड अप द सैलरी कॉलम एंड बोनस कॉलम एंड मेक अ टोटल सैलरी कॉलम ओवर हियर. And there is some data validation also to be done. So validating your data. So if age is greater than 18, less than 18 you do not take the data, only greater than 18 data you want it to come to the next level. Okay, so you can take that. So okay, so this is how the interface is looking like. Okay, जैसे आप देख सकते हैं, ऐसे spoon batch file आप run करेंगे, this is how it looks like. Now what you have to do is bring information. Okay, so now what you have to use do is input, output and transform. Let's see how to get an input. So to get an input, if you want an input to come from an Excel file, what you do is you go see input can come from so many sources. These many sources are there. We are only looking at Excel and Access. Okay, so if I want the data to come from Excel, so I'll just take and just drag it over here. Microsoft Excel input. Okay, this icon comes over here. I have to drag it. Now what I do is I double click on it and I attach a file to it. Okay, so the step name can be given Excel input step. Okay, this is the name of the step that I am doing. Okay, then what you do, you browse and see if you are having an Excel file and bring it. So I am having an Excel file staff. I'll just bring it over here. Okay, so this is complete path is coming. Where is the file? You add it. Okay, what is the file? Excel.xls. So this is how you add it. Now go to sheets, set the sheets. Okay, select the sheets. So you can have more than one Excel files. Okay, if you have more than one Excel files, more sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 will come. So which sheet you want to select? You select it, press OK, and then you get the fields. Okay, so you've got the sheet. Now you want to get the field. You say get field. Okay, so all the fields are coming over here. Say OK. Did you get it? Now let's see what we are supposed to do. Let's see the question that we are having. Okay, let's go by the sequence that is given in this. So this Pentaho is helping us doing extract. So what we are doing right now, we are bringing in the database. Now we want to extract something from this database, that this Excel database that we want. So we have to extract some records, and then we want to transform it. Okay, and then put it into a new Excel file. Okay, so ये Excel file है staff की आपके पास. Okay, the जो steps हैं वो यहाँ लिखे हुए हैं, तो आप यहाँ से भी follow कर सकते हैं. What I did right now, all the steps are written over here. Okay, get field, you have got the field. Okay, now what is the transformation? Acha, this is for access. Or okay, we'll see both of them, access as well as access. Excel को भी देख लेते हैं. तो we right now we are seeing Excel files. Okay, then what you do is come here, you see. So this is the input that you have got. Now you want to do a transform, right? So what you will do, you select from here, you go to transform, and you say concatenate fields. You just bring it over here. Or if you just want to put a particular, suppose if you don't want to concatenate also, I just want an output to come. Okay, I'll just delete this. I only want an output to come, so I can just add an Excel output from here. Select output and just go to Excel. Here, Excel output. So whenever you bring anything, drag, and you want to connect, what you do is you go over here, you get this icon. You can see this icon over here. Just select it and then connect this. First and foremost, you are supposed to connect the two things and then make any changes if that you want. Okay, so what have we done in this? If you double, just a moment. Okay, these are our fields, right? Now if suppose I want to delete some fields, I just want last name and first name to go in as an output. All these records are not required. So normally databases will have thousands of records, thousands of attributes. But I just want some 100 attributes or 25 attributes, so I don't want all of them, so I can just delete them. I just want first name, last name, and ID. Okay, and I want it to go over here, right? So now I'll just write a launch. Okay, now I want to give the new name of the file, so I'm giving a new name, new full name file. Okay, so this Excel is only having the full names. Okay, save it. You can see the preview data from here. Now this data is only having first name, last name, and ID. And what has happened now? You can go and see in the record over here. Are we having the full name file here? Yes. Wanting to do is add a transformation for concatenation, right? So you'll just pick up from here. Where do you get the transformation? Input, output, and transform. Okay, इनपुट यानी कि कहाँ से डेटा लेना है, आउटपुट यानी कि जो भी हमने डेटा लिया है उसके साथ जो भी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन किया है उसको किस तरह से आउटपुट में प्लेस करना है. और कोई बहुत सारे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस अवेलेबल हैं, लाइक ऐड अ सीक्वेंस, कैलकुलेटर, concatenate fields. So many of them are available, so you can just drag and place it over here. Okay, so okay, let's create a new transformation. Okay, now this is the new file that has got created. Let's see where has it got created, where is it going. Create हो रही है, तो अब पहले क्या था, आपकी जो पहली वाली staff file थी उसमें only this much record was there ना, this much records were there, or how many ever records were there. At the end a column is getting created with Mary comma Joe in our case, because we kept it a comma. If you want a delimiter to be a space, you can just press a space over there, so the delimiter would be a space. So a new file is getting created. Now what is happening, only if I need full name, what should I do? I do not need all these names, only need a full name. So what should I do is, I should as an input I should take now this new file, and I should delete all the other attributes that I'm having, and I should only keep full name and then put it into a new file. So इससे पहले जो हमने किया था, input excel लिया था और output excel लिया था ना, तो you take as input the new file and then delete all the other columns that were there, and only keep the full name and bring it to the new excel output file. So this is also you can do. So otherwise you can even see the preview from over here. अगर आपको sort करना है column in descending order, and so sorting के लिए भी you are having a transformation. Okay, so how do you go about it? ये input मुझे मिल गया है, मुझे transformation क्या करना है, sorting the data. So where is the sort data? Yeah, this one. Okay, so whatever transformation I want to apply, I'll just bring it. So many transformations are available. I'll just bring it over here, sort rows. And first thing that you have to do is make a connection. So over here you can see these are the records there. Now what I do is I just click over here and make this connection with the sort row. Okay, and then double click on sort rows. Okay, what kind of sorting I have to do? I'll just say only unique rows I want. I click on it. The step name you can give if you want. Okay, and you can select on what you want to sort. Okay, suppose I want to sort on age. Okay, what kind of a sorting I want to do, ascending or descending? I can select. I want an ascending order. Okay, and say okay. Then what I do is I say a launch. I launch it. Okay, sort file as per city. Okay, save it. Now let's see whether it's come properly. Preview data. Has it come as per city? Okay, yes, now it has come as per city. Okay, so you can just sort as per city. Now if I want this sorted data to go in as an output to some other Excel file, what should I do? I should just go to output, and if I want to Microsoft output, okay, this is how I have to bring it here. I have to make a connection from sort transformation. So I just click on this. I have to wait a second to get this icon. I just drag and place it over here. Okay, now I double click on this. What is the name of the file that I want it to be? Okay, I can just name the file city sort, something like that. City sort file, I suppose. Save. Okay, that should do. There are more things to be done, so I can just leave it like that. Okay, and then I just run a launch from here. Okay, so what should it have happened? ये जो last वाला file है हमारा ना, city sort has to be created. Here I got this. Sorry, city sort, right? ये रहा city sort. तो जो फाइल हमें अभी वहाँ दिख रही थी एज अ प्रीव्यू ना, तो हमने क्या किया, उसको एक फाइल में प्लेस कर दिया है. सो दिस इज कम ओवर हियर एज पर सॉर्टेड एज पर सिटी. दिस इज कम ओवर हियर. टू डू, यू वांट टू ऐड अ सीक्वेंस, राइट? ओके, तो सीक्वेंस के लिए कोई ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है क्या, देखें ज़रा. Have you got a transformation for sequencing? Mm, yes, add sequence. Okay, so you just go drag and bring it over here. अब आप क्या करेंगे, कनेक्ट करेंगे इसको सबसे पहले. You just go to this icon, drag and place it here. And the connection is made. So if the connection for some reason is having an error, now you get a red color over here. So means the connection is not made. Then what you do? आपने फाइल ले लिया है, इनपुट ले लिया है फाइल का. What you do? You want to add sequence, right? Double click on it. Name of the value, what you want. You can even name this sequence. ना? Suppose it is add sequence step. तो आप देखेंगे कि वहाँ लिखा हुआ आएगा ये. Add sequence step. Value name, you can give a new value. Suppose I am giving a serial number. Okay, serial number, use that. Now you can start the value count. From where do you want to count? I want to count from 101, and I want to increment by 1, and I want to end by at 103 because हमारे पास बहुत कम डेटा है. तो देखते हैं 103 पर एंड करना है. तो सीक्वेंस आई वांट टू स्टार्ट अ सीरियल नंबर, एक कॉलम ऐड करना है. आई एम एडिंग अ कॉलम सीरियल नंबर. It should start from 1001. It could keep on incrementing by 1, and the maximum value should be 103. So normally what you would want to do is serial number, I want to put a serial number from 1 to 100, 1 to 100, 1 to 100 इस तरह से. Okay, or 1 to 1000, 1 to 1000. So 1000 is my maximum number. Okay, so my serial number starts from 1001, increments by 1 and ends at 103. So I say okay, then I say a launch. I launch it. I have to give a name to it. So it is a sequence, right? Okay. So sequence serial number file. This is the name I have given to the new Excel file that is getting created. Save. So if I want to see the preview of the file, I can just go and see the preview from here. So what is happening? All the records that were there in this input Excel file, that is there definitely. What else has happened now? A serial number has got increased. So sequencing has happened. I have given a serial number name to the to the column, and where is the starting from? 1001, 100. Sorry, 101, 102, 103. That is last, right? तो वापस से sequence यहाँ से चालू हो जाता है फिर 101, 102, so on. I hope this was quite easy, isn't it? So I'll just see whether I can add age and ID. Okay. So, okay. Now what is the transformation that I want to use is? Let me see whether there is a transform for calculator. So there is a calculator, right? I'll just drag it over here. Make the connection between the two like this. Okay. Now I double click on this. What is the okay, calculator step? Suppose I write over here. This is a new name to the step. Now what is the new field that is getting created? A new field is getting created. Add field, suppose. What am I going to add? To numeric information only I can add, na? तो अच्छा, calculation means any kind of calculations you can do. See, so many varieties available over here. तो आपको तो हमने बोला है सिर्फ ऐड करना है. You can see how much information is add there. Date field है. You want to add another date to it. You can do that. So many things are available. Okay, but right now we are only going to see is additions. So if I want to multiply two fields, I can want to divide, I want to find a square root, I want to find the percentage, I want to round up, seal, floor, so a number of them is there. Now suppose I just want to add two fields, so I just select add A plus B over here. Okay, field A क्या है? In my case field is ID. Field B क्या है? B is the age. I do not have any other numeric data here, right? So age. Okay. Okay, let's run it and see. When we run it, launch, I want this to go to some other file of mine. Calculate Excel file. Okay, calculate file. Okay, I can see the preview data from here itself. So all the records are there. उसके अलावा एक add field करके एक नया column बन गया है. And what have I done? Age plus 1, isn't it? 15 है, 15 plus 2, 17. 25 plus 3. So this is what has happened. So new column has got added. And what have we done? We have added the two quantities of the two columns. We can do anything like find a percentage, add 3 columns, and all of that is available in the calculator. Transform can be applied. Fields, add fields. So all the fields that are there in the Excel staff file will come over here. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to concatenate the records, right? So now I say okay. तो उसके लिए आप क्या करोगे, आपके पास फाइल आ गई, इनपुट आ गया. Now what you do is you add a transform. But what transform you want? Concatenate file field. So you just drag it over here. So once you drag anything over here, the connection has to be made first. So how do you make the connection? You just click over here to this icon and just drag it and make the connection. Okay, a red line would come over here. It would become red if there is an error or something like that. Okay, so now concatenate field has come. What you do, you just double click on that. Okay, you can give the name of the step also the way you want. Concatenate field step. Target field क्या है? Full name, suppose. Okay, full name. Full name is the new name that I want. Okay, or a complete name. Let's say something else. Okay, it's a complete name. What is the length of the field that you want? You can just specify over here. What is the separator that you want? If you want a separator, you can just mention the separator over here. Suppose you want a comma, okay, you can give a comma. Do you want an enclosure like a double quotes? No, you can just remove. Okay, over here, what all do I need? I need the first name and I also need the last name. Okay, that needs to be concatenated, right? And what is the type of my this database? String. Okay, I think it should be okay. I don't know how much it is. What is the length? Let me take it 10 10. Okay, so it will pick up 10 length of it to the max. Okay, and then once you've done this, you just say a launch, run it. Okay, so now you can give a new name to it. Complete name. Okay, complete name. Save. So what is happening? Complete name नाम का एक एक्सेल फाइल बन गया है जिसमें क्या होना चाहिए, concatenated fields होने चाहिए. ठीक है, अगर आपको प्रीव्यू देखना है, you can go and see the preview here. So what is happening? The file that is getting created is having all the fields, जितने भी fields हैं वो हैं. इसके अलावा एक दोबारा से एक और field create हो गया जिसमें कि full first name and last name दोनों आ गए and the separator is a comma. Is it I have to add a number range? Okay, so I'll just see whether I've got a transform for that. So let's go to transform and I can see that there is a number range. Okay, so I just bring it here. I make the connections. Double click on number range. Input field, just decide on the input field. Suppose it is the age, maybe. Okay, we're taking the age and we are just saying that just tell us which bin does it belong to. Is it between 0 to 5, or is it between 5 to 10, or is it greater than 10? Just let it be as default and just see what is the output. Run it, launch. Okay, you can just give some name. Let's see the preview. Okay, so now what is happening, each and every row, it is telling which range does it belong to. Okay, so age, when age is 5, it belongs to the range 0 to 10. When age is 15, it is more than 10, all is more than 10. So now let's just uh, change it a bit and see. So here you can go and edit the step. Okay, let's say we say there's from 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 20, maybe we can say 10 to 20, and 20, more than 20 comes here. Okay, so more than 20. Okay, and what is this? This is 10 to 20, 10 to 20. So I've just added a range. Okay, run karte hain ise. Data, it is showing that for age 5 it comes in the range 5 to 10, for age 15 it comes in the range 10 to 20, for 25 it is ranges beyond 20, if it is 11 it is between the range 20 to 10 to 20, and if it is 18 again it is in the range 10 to 20. So you can just break the records as per ranges. Next, let's see if we can add a number or data range. Okay, sorry, data validation. Okay, let's see whether we can add a data validation, and for that what you do is you take the input of file and just go to data validation. So let's go to validation and data validator. Okay, so I'm just adding a data validator. I'm making the connections. Okay, this ways. Okay, what is the data validation that you want to put? You have to name the validation. So it is new, suppose it is check age. Okay, check age is the name of the validation. Okay, I double click here. That's telling us check age में क्या आपको validation place करना है, and what field do you want to validate. So it is the name of the field is suppose age. Okay, age, it is a number. Okay, just let's tell it that it is a number. Okay, now what restriction do you want to place? That the minimum value has to be 18. Okay, and let's say okay, apply this validation. Now this to work, you got to add a flow control. So from flow you go to flow and then you add a dummy. So dummy control, you have to add a dummy control here, and you got to connect this. Okay, with the main output step. Another dummy I have to create and connect it with the error. So here I'll connect this with here and error handling step. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Let's run and see. So now what you can see is that all the records that have come over here are of the range wherein the age is greater than or equal to 18. Minimum age is 18. Minimum age value you had given is 18. So any other record is not there. So this is how you can add a data validation. Now let's see how to add a we have seen all the examples with Excel. So let's see an example of Access. So you go to new, transformation. Okay, what is the input? Input is coming from Access actually now. So I go to Microsoft Access, I bring it here. I have to connect a file, Access file here. So okay, so here you browse to an Access file. So I am having a staff file, the staff database of Access. Okay, I add the file, the path. Okay, now I go and click to content. Content work create karke I get the table, which I have selected that staff database, but I want that table, right? So which table do I want? Again I want a staff table. Okay, so I just click on that. Now I go to fields and I say get fields. So this is how it gets the fields from Access. Okay, so say okay. And now suppose I want to add a maybe concatenate or something like that. Let's see a transformation and concatenate and see whether it's working with Access also. So I say concatenate field. I just attach this. Okay, I attach this. Now I double click on it. And what is the target field? It is full name. Full name. What is the length of the file of the field? Suppose it is 25. What is the separator? It's semicolon. I'll just leave it as it is. Which column do you want to concatenate? The first name. What is the type of the first name? It is a string. Okay, it's a string. What is the second one? It is a last name. Last name. What is its type? It is a string. So okay, that's it. Fine, I can just leave it at it and say okay. Let's see whether it's running fine. Okay, this full name data has come over here. It is concatenating the first name and the last name with a delimiter semicolon. Okay, so this is how you can take the Access input as well as you can use the Access output also. So let's see whether we can pick up the Access output from here. You have Access output, just drag it and bring it here. Connect the concatenate field if you want here to the output, and then you can, and through the output you can just tell which database you want it to go. Suppose I just want it to go to the staff database only, so I select the staff database. What is the file name you want to create? Suppose I'm creating a trial file. Okay, ट्रायल फाइल में ये पूरा जो डेटा है वो जाना चाहिए. ओके कर देते हैं इसे एंड देन इसे रन करते हैं. Okay, now let's go and see whether this trial file has got created. Okay, this is the staff. So I'm opening the staff database, staff access database. I'm opening it. Okay, in the staff database I'm having so many tables. Now the latest one that I created was the trial, right? I can just double click on it and see the trial. So in the trial, what is happening? All the data, all the records are there. At the end, I am having a full name where first name and last name are concatenated with a semicolon as a delimiter. So I hope now it is okay with you all. We have covered also the same operations as we are done with Excel can also be done with Access database. Thank you.